Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقتلوا الصيد وأنتم حرم ومن قتله منكم متعمدا فجزاء مثل ما قتل من النعم يحكم به ذوى عدل منكم هديا بالغ الكعبة أو كفارة طعام مساكين أو عدل ذلك صياما ليذوق وبال أمره عفى الله عما سلف ومن عاد فينتقم الله منه والله عزيز ذو انتقام. Translation: O you believer, do not kill wild game by hunting while you are in ihram, clothes of pilgrimage, sanctity, hajj and umrah. And one who kills hunting animal intentionally, he should pay the penalty of an offering sacrificial animal equal to what he killed, to be judged by two persons among you known for justice. That offering should be brought to Kaaba, or for expiation he should feed poor person or fasting equivalent to it, so that he may taste the consequences of his action. Allah has forgiven whatever happened in the past, but those who will violate doing it again, then Allah will take a penalty from them. Allah is almighty and strict in taking revenge. During ihram of umrah or hajj, if somebody kills a land game animal, whether its meat is eaten or not, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned this compensation or kafara and the punishment. Game animals are those who are not used to of humans and they run away from humans, like the lion and deer, etc. Those animals who are used to of humans, like goats and cows and chicken, they are not included in the game animals. There are some exceptions on game animals also, like animals like the wolf or snake or scorpion or a dog who was biting can be killed even in ihram. And if any animal is attacking the person who is in ihram, it can also be killed. This should be understood that here intentional killing of game animal is mentioned, and whoever is doing it will have to give the compensation and will also be getting the punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the hereafter. If someone kills an animal unintentionally or by mistake, then they have to give the compensation or kafara, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not punish them for this killing. In Hanafi madhab, if somebody held a game animal, he must release it, but if he killed it, then two honest people should judge the price of that animal, and the same price animal, meaning a same price goat, cow or camel, should be sent to Kaaba and should be sacrificed there, and the meat should be distributed, and the one who killed the game animal should not eat from it. Another way is that whatever the amount is judged by the two people, that amount can be distributed in the form of grain or food to the needy people. That amount per person should be equivalent to the amount of sadaqatul fitr. If the person cannot afford that amount of money, he should fast the same day as the amount of the needy people who would have been fed by that amount. Even before the ayat was revealed, the Arabs knew that in the state of ihram they should not hunt, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave whatever happened before the revelation of this ayah. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that nobody can run away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will punish for this sin. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.